Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be answering a lot of questions I always get in my comments and also in my DMs, that how do you guys I'm able to create accounts, multiple accounts, and you guys are keep trying and it's not working. It's not about me using device. We all use the right device, but it's just we are all using different approach. One thing that actually, let me say, disqualify you from getting account easily is most of you guys always log into your Talkatone without even, when you install the app, you just install the app without even connecting to VPN. You just open the app. That's actually not good. It's one of the things that affects your device. It has already automatically detected that your device or your device is not actually in USA. So that's why it's actually recommended you always use VPN. And VPN are specific, not all VPN works. So the VPN are specific. I make a lot of videos using some free VPNs that work. That's always proxy that works, IPA. Those ones work, but random VPN like Urban, they don't work actually for Talkatone. So that's let me say, yeah, that's just it about Talkatone creation. That's just the main basics. You should always use VP. And for some of you guys that we noticed, yeah, now you have gotten the account, but it got banned within 1 week or 1 month of creating the account. That's also same thing. You don't just open Talkatone and you think, yeah, you already have the account, then you try logging in without connecting to VPN. I've never tried it, so I don't even know how it should be, but it will work. Once, even if it works like that, if it works, you got banned easily, and that's one of the things that got you guys banned easily. Not opening account without connecting to VPN or poor network. When your network is bad, don't try and connect. Anything you want to do, just leave it as of that moment. Don't try and connect to or open your Talkatone. That's also a red flag for you to open your Talkatone. Yeah, so that's just the main basic for you to know to secure your account in it. Or if you are yet to get your device, connect to VPN before opening Talkatone. Don't open Talkatone without connecting to VPN with stable network. When your network is bad, don't open your Talkatone account. That's just it. If you have any question, you can also drop it and I'll make a video about the question you ask and, yeah, guide you through all that as well.